Alright guys, enough of the pleasantries, let's get right into it. There it is, I put the square back on the hydraulics, and I left one out a little, one of the screws out a little bit so you can see right here. They're like Allen, like an Allen wrench, but as you can see all the wires coming back in, plugging back through. So what you got to do is they're all numbered, so make sure you can't go wrong with that. Put them back in number, and then you just gotta screw it tight. I just didn't screw it tight, but I got it in there just enough to show you guys. Right there is 4 of them. 1, 2 at the bottom. Then you can see a little bit of the third one, and the fourth one is right on the other side. So I gotta tighten those. All the wires are connected. That's how it should look. I mean, get a picture too while I'm over here. All right, guys. I'm gonna take the top down in a minute. Not through the hydraulics yet, but still manually for now. And then I'm gonna put my back seat back in. Alright guys, let me put my back seat back in.